Hey Hedgies, welcome back to the beautiful Myrtle the camper van. So today we have another hashtag recipe request. I'm very excited about these recipe requests. I want more of you to write in the comments what you'd like me to make you. Anyway, today's recipe is for Glos Flamingo. Glos says, and I think Glos is a she, a bit hard to tell on YouTube. Anyway, Glos says, Damon from Nina the Ambulance Camper sent me. Love your style and channel, so I had to sub. Thank you, Glos. I love you too. I've had a good look round your channel and like lots of videos and plan to try lots of your recipes this summer. Yes. Trouble is, I've got a sweet tooth and majority of your recipes are savoury. So, I challenge you to make some camper friendly desserts. Glos Flamingo, your wish, my command, sweetheart. This one is just for you, and I don't think you can get much sweeter than a banoffee. So first up, what are we going to do? I've got absolutely no idea. So, first up, pop some of your biscuits of choice in a Ziploc bag. This has actually caused discussions in our household. I am all about a biscuit base being made of Hobnobs. Johnny, my other half, is all about a biscuit base being made of digestive biscuits. I'll have you know I won this argument. These are Hobnobs. Hobnobs just have more of a texture. I love a digestive base, don't get me wrong, but I love a Hobnob base more. Bash with your mallet, rolling pin, bottle of wine, whatever you've got to hand, until they're all nice and crumbly. Next up, melt a knob of butter. Okay, when your butter is melted, then pour in your biscuits and give it a good mix round. Tip the biscuity base into your plate, bowl, dish, pan, whatever it is that you're using. I mean, to be honest, you could even just make it in this, couldn't you? Whatever dish you use, just make sure you press it down with the back of a spoon really flat. Now, if you have a fridge or a cool box in your van, pop this in it for an hour or two. If you don't, then try and stash it somewhere cool and leave it overnight, because you want that butter to firm up. Because if you try and spread the caramel on it while it's loose like this, it's just going to become a big old sticky mess. So leave it somewhere cool for minimum of a couple of hours, maximum overnight. But I just want to get this recipe done for you guys and get it out, and that's all there is about that. So I've already made one in true Blue Peter style. Now, back in the dark ages when I was a kid, we used to get a can of condensed milk and boil it unopened on the Aga in a pan of water for like 4 hours or something. Then when you opened up that tin of condensed milk, it turned into this gorgeous toffee-like caramel thick gloopy goodness. That was how you used to have to make Banoffee pies back in the olden days. But nowadays, they do it for you. So to find a can of this, go to the supermarket, go to where your evaporated milk and your condensed milks are, and you'll see a Carnation caramel. This one has already been boiled in the can. It is actual caramel. And this is about to break my heart because this is just made with milk and sugar. If I eat this, I will die. Okay, that's dramatic. I won't. I'll just be really, really, really ill. So I'm about to have to find some willpower from somewhere. I should have come out after lunch, shouldn't I? Because then I'd be full and then I wouldn't want to eat it. But then it's Banoffee. Of course I'd want to eat it. Wish me luck. My mouth is salivating. Oh, I hate all you lactose happy people. Not really. So pop your deliciously horrible lactose filled caramel into your pie dish. Smooth it round. Next up, peel the bananas and slash them up. Now, the official Banoffee recipe, if there is such a thing, uses whipped cream, but ain't no one got time for whipping cream on a campsite, am I right? So, because we're in Cornwall and because I'm a proud Cornish lass, I'm going to use clotted cream. Just giving it a good stir. It makes it a little bit more liquidy when you do that, and then just gonna oozy it over. If there's any chance that this Banoffee isn't going to be eaten like within a nanosecond of it going on the table, then you can brush, coat, spray, toss, whatever, your bananas with a little bit of lemon juice, and that will stop them from going brown. However, I'm pretty sure this isn't going to last very long. And then I've just decided it needs a little bit more artistic love, so I'm just going to crumble a little bit more biscuit over the top, just because I can. So there we go, Glos Flamingo. Have I done you proud? Is this something that you will make on your next camping trip? Please let me know in the comments what you think. Hopefully you're a Banoffee fan. So as always, hopefully you've enjoyed this recipe. Please hit the thumbs up if you have, or if you just want to laugh at the fact that I can't eat this delicious dessert. Feel free to subscribe to the channel as I bring out a new one pot camping recipe every single Wednesday. And please leave your recipe request in the comments below. Let me help your camping trip become that little bit tastier. Have a brilliant week, friends. And until next Wednesday, mwah, happy camping.